Are you looking for the best 3D printer under $400? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Da Vinci Nano 3D Printer White. The first thing noticeable in this printer is the name of the printer. Name is giving a clear hint that it is a nano printer. Therefore, the built volume of the printer is 4.7x 4.7x 4.7 inches. It tells the reader it is a compact printer that can fit in a small area of yours, and also it can be placed near your desktop or laptop on a table. The second thing that tells the reader is the remarkable design of the removable print bed. You can remove it with ease, and you will not face any hassle of breaking it. Besides, it is a fully enclosed printer that has one aim to secure your data, and they design it for safety. If we see the K12 Steam, then it is NGSS principles based. It is a little machine, but with significant prints, and there is hardly any need to adjust the setting of the material. Being a 3D printer, it is difficult to find a machine with such specifications. As for the software, there is no hard and fast rule to install it. Besides, it is a hassle-free installation of software. Moreover, this printer comes with free CAD along with slicing software. It is a user-friendly printer that is based on UI design. Besides, it will clear the path and will lead you from modeling to printing. These are some reasons it is known as a cheap 3D printer under $400. Number 2. 3D printer with build plate review. The primary point that is remarkable about this printer is the size of the printer, which is 150 by 150 by 150 millimeters. There is a heated build plate in the printer and comes with a wide range of extruder temperatures. This temperature allows the printer to work efficiently with approximately most types of 1.75 millimeters filaments that are 3D. The screen is LCD, and a smooth startup of the printer comes with a manual. It has impressive performance with a single extruder and makes it the best resin 3D printer. As for the material, it has a wide range of PLA, ABS, wood, copper fill, steel fill, bronze fill, and other materials. You can also remove the magnetic plate. All metal hot end for stability. Removable magnetic build plate. Item shape, rectangle. Material, plastic and metal. Flexible magnetic print. Number 3. Monoprice Select Mini 3D Review. It is the best 3D printer that supports almost all kinds of filaments. Besides, this Monoprice printer supports many operating systems. The design of the printer is also compact, and you can place your 3D printer easily. It comes with a kit and is ready to print the printer. As for the sample of filament diameter, it is 1.75 millimeters. The filament size sample is approximately 10 feet. For your DIY projects, it is the best and compact 3D printer that has one goal to give a quality-proof outcome. The color of the filament is natural and bright. The heated build plate and wide range of extruder temperatures allow this printer to work with any type of filament, from basic filaments such as ABS and PLA, to more advanced materials. Featuring a small footprint and basic, open frame design, this 3D printer is compact enough for any desk. Unlike most other low-cost 3D printers, this printer ships fully assembled and has already been calibrated at the factory. We even include a microSD TM card with pre-installed models, so you can start printing right out of the box. PC and Mac compatible. Compatible with Cura, Repetier, and other software. Max. Extruder temperature, plus 482 degrees Fahrenheit plus 250 degrees Celsius. Check user manual in technical specification before use. Maximum power consumption 120 watts. Number 4. Longer LK4 review. The printer deals with a crisp touchscreen of 2.8 inches, which tells you it is easy to operate the machine. Therefore, it is the best dual extruder 3D printer. It has a recovery option that states its best feature. After the power loss, you can resume your printing from where it stopped. Besides, there is a sensor system in the printer and also filament detection. Motive has a power supply safety option that means you can place the power supply under the flatbed to make sure it remains safe. Longer is a new industry and technology leading 3D printing company with a strong R&D team specializes in the newest 3D printing technology. This LK4 3D printer is a cost-effective and popular 3D printer model, with compact built cute design, new aluminum frame design, stylish novel appearance, self-developed intelligent operating system, brand new UI, offline printing. This 3D printer, easy to assemble, with resume printing function and safe power supply. The LK4 printer is a great gift for the thinker or designer in your family, or the school-aged student preparing to take their first technology class.